The Apple Watch Series 3 has been out since September of 2017, which means it's been 2.5 years and 2 new iterations since its release. A lot of tech-savvy consumers go out and get the latest and greatest Apple Watch Series 5, but do you really have to? Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Apple Watch Series 3 and whether or not you should get it in 2020. So originally I was supposed to get the Apple Watch Series 4 on Black Friday of 2019, except I came back home with an Apple Watch Series 3 for only $170. After thinking about it, I realized that there's not enough of a difference for me to go to the Series 3 to the Series 4 for a $100 difference, and in this video we're going to be talking about if that $100 is going to bring enough value for you guys to go ahead and get the Apple Watch Series 4. So the Apple Watch Series 3 has a few main features, being calling, texting, mainly through Siri, and fitness. I personally use the Apple Watch for its fitness tracking capabilities, since it's the best in its class. The watch resets every day with 3 rings: red for calories burned, green for minutes exercised, and blue for each hour you stand up. I love having this on my home screen so that I know when I need to get up and walk more. Also, every time I'm in the gym or even on a run or a walk, I always make sure to start the workout on the Apple Watch so that it shows me my heart rate, calories burned, and how long I've been working out for. And now to compare the Series 3 Apple Watch to the Series 4 and 5 in the fitness area, there really isn't anything new besides the added feature of the ECG. The ECG is a great feature that helps you accurately track your heart rate compared to the Series 3. But overall, the Series 3 Apple Watch has plenty of features for fitness, and it still does compare to the Series 4 and 5, and has everything that you need besides the ECG. The Series 3 also has the same core notification functions as the newer models with calling, texting, and app notifications. The Series 4 and 5 both have 50% louder speakers that will make the calling experience just a little bit better. Otherwise, in this category, there really isn't much of a difference between the Series 3 and the newer models. Now if you're really having some difficulty on deciding whether you want the old Apple Watch or the new Series 4 or 5, here are some features that were introduced with the newer models. There's a new S5 chip in the Series 5 Apple Watch, which is 2 times faster than the S3 chip. The Series 5 has an always-on display. They have new, much more expensive materials for the new Apple Watch Series 5. They have an ECG app for more accurate heart readings for the Series 4 and 5. And the newer models actually tell you when it's really loud so that you can protect your own hearing. There's menstrual cycle tracking. And the Series 4 and 5 have a compass, which the Series 3 does not. And the Series 5 has fall detection, so whenever you fall, it'll automatically call the ambulance, which is really great for older people. And most importantly, the Series 4 and 5 are much better looking, with a 0.7mm thinner case size, and it also has a rounded display which fills up more of the screen while keeping the same size of the case. Overall, if you are going to buy one of the Apple Watches, I would only recommend the Series 4 and 5 if you have a higher budget, if you're older for that fall detection ECG, or if you're really just a tech-savvy person and cares a lot about specs. And for everybody else, I would recommend the Series 3 Apple Watch with the amount of features that it has that it still compares to the Series 4 and 5 for only a price of $150 to $200, which is almost half of the price of the Apple Watch Series 5. With the extra money you save on the Apple Watch Series 3, I would say to get some extra bands for your Apple Watch to make it look a little bit nicer, like the Milanese Loop, the leather band, or the Link bracelet ones. And anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys do have any questions or comments, make sure to go leave them down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to go down below and hit that like and subscribe button. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.